Hello everyone, welcome to another video. In this video, I will show you how to sign up for ChatGPT if it's not available in your country. Now, these are really simple steps. So, first of all, what you will need to do is obviously try ChatGPT, right? And then ChatGPT will basically ask you for your phone number, right? As you can see, I will have to log in here. I'll just show you if I sign up here, I'll be asked to create my account. I can create it through Google, but what you can first do is go to one-click VPN. This is free VPN for Chrome. All you have to do is download this VPN. So go to your Chrome web store and in here, just type in VPN. Then you will get one-click VPN, install it, add it to Chrome, turn it on and switch it to, for example, United States or any other country where ChatGPT is available. I would recommend United States. Now, once you're switched to that, go here and continue with your Google account, right? Or, you can obviously log in, right? But continue with your Google account. And now ChatGPT will actually ask you for your email or for your phone number. Now, for your phone number, what you can do is you can actually go to receivesms.com. Now here, as you can see, and then what you will need to do is you will need to go and click on one of these phone numbers, right? And what you can do is you can copy it, right? And you can paste it in the ChatGPT. And here you can click update message. And then here you will get, you will get the code right here, as you can see. Now, okay, that is the first thing. Now, if this is not working, guys, if a number is not working, you will need to try another number. So click give me another number and try until you don't have until the number that you're trying it's working, right? So you will need to try a lot of times, right? I already made a video on how to do this or how to use ChatGPT without phone number. Actually, you can use it this way as well. So you will just need to click give me another number or go back to receive SMS and click on another United States number here. You have a lot of numbers here, so just click on one. And if it's not working, just switch the country to Canada or something like that, right? And then, as you can see, you will see here, obviously copied. Now, what you will need to do is if you click on VPN, right? And if you click on United States, then give United States number. If you're clicking on, Mexico, then click on the Mexico number, right? That's pretty much it, right? So that's how you can use or sign up for ChatGPT if it's not available in your country. Now, if you have any questions, comment down below and we'll see you in the next video. Thank you guys for watching.